Can I get temporary car insurance in Valinda, California? Short-term car insurance is the best way to get coverage against any kind of risky situations while driving. If you are borrowing a car from your friend or any of your family members, then you can make use of this facility. There are times when you may need to drive for a short distance only. You may need insurance for a day or two in such circumstances. Are you driving your friend's car, or is someone else driving your car on a temporary basis? Whatever it is, you will need a day's insurance. Daily insurance offers you cheap day cover. As the cover is for a short period of time, it is relatively cheaper than yearly cover. Herein you need not pay yearly premiums. This kind of cover lets you insure your vehicle for a period of 1 to 28 days. This kind of cover is basically designed to meet your needs for short distance traveling. It covers for a duration of 1 to 28 days against any fire, accident, theft, or damage caused to their vehicle, as well as their legal obligations or third-party claims. It can also take delivery of your new vehicle from a dealer, supermarket, or auction. All comprehensive policies carry accidental damage, fire, and theft identified on the policy schedule and have a limit of indemnity in respect of loss of or damage to the vehicle. A driver can use this kind of cover to protect the personal interest against loss of property or injuries suffered while driving. If you are faced with a need to drive the car for a day or two, you can benefit from this facility. Insuring car for a day is unheard of. However, it offers immense benefits. If you are planning to travel for a short distance, you can make use of the facility. It offers you an advantage of driving your vehicle immediately. This facility enables you to enjoy the benefit of immediate drive-away insurance if you've just bought a car.